it's Alexa, and this is my progress skating. It's been maybe 2 months, I'm not really sure. I think I started in September or October, but as you can see, my garage now is very clean. I got rid of the little windows right here that we couldn't get rid of, so I gave them away for free. Funny story, when you try to give things away for free on Craigslist, even though they're giant picture windows, people ask if they can tie it to the top of their little car, their little Honda, or take it away in a wheelbarrow, and you have to say, no, I'm not giving this to you unless you have a truck. But anyway, I got rid of that. I got rid of a bunch of other stuff, and just now I mopped the floor so it looks all nice and clean. Organizing left to do, but let's also look at my moves here, see what you think. Update. I cleaned a little bit more of the garage. You probably didn't see what it looked like, but anyway, these corners, because I didn't have them in the shot before, but I cleaned off the washing machine and dusted everywhere, and I cleaned out this little nook. This picture had broken glass in it, so I took the broken glass out. This whole nook was filled with crap that was disorganized, including all of these feathers, which I'm going to give away, I guess, because I don't know what to do with feathers. And these things can still fit in this storage area. This storage area still needs a little bit of organization. There's also cement that I don't want to put in the storage area because it's damp, and I want to use this cement before it just hardens up. But I'm really proud of my work that I did, and I have to say that the desire to have a space to skate in during this pandemic gave me the motivation to do it. Look at all that space. So dusted off and cleaned off this whole desk. My son didn't want me to get rid of it. This was a street find anyway. This little bit of trim needs to be glued, and then we can use this desk, and he can use it in his closet.